this video, we are going to discuss about sets in Python. Sets in Python are unordered, unique collection of items and does not have indexing or slicing. By unique collection of item, I mean it cannot have any duplicate values. If we pass on duplicate values within the uh, set function, or we create a set, it would not accept it, or actually it will delete the duplicate values and only show unique values. So it is generally used for mathematical set operations, for instance, union, intersection, symmetric, difference, etc. We can create set in Python by using curly braces. For example, let's create it. My underscore set equals to and 1 comma 3 comma 6 comma 2, and let's pass on a duplicate value and see what it gives. My underscore set to get an output. So you see 1, 2, 3 and 6. It did not repeat 2 twice. So it actually deleted the duplicate value and only printed out unique value. We can also create set by using set function. For example, a equals to set, and we create a tuple inside it. For example, 1 comma 3 comma 2 comma 5 comma 6, and let's print out a. So it created a set. So these are the two ways we can create a set. If we are looking to create an empty set, that's a bit tricky, because when we go about creating an empty set, for example, a equals to, we create a set with curly braces and does not put anything else inside it, and let's print out. So, and when we check its type, for example, so it outputs a dictionary. What it has done is it recognized this as a, instead of empty set, it recognized it as a dictionary. Now in order to actually create a set, an empty set, we can use a equals to set, and when we type its check its type, get to we get the output of set. So in order to create an empty set, we generally use set function. Set does not have indexing or slicing. If we for example, we already have my set, we for example on, let's print out. So it is going to give an error. That object does not support indexing. It does not have any indexing. And we can add or update elements within set by using add method, my set dot add, in, let's add 4, and then print my underscore set. So it added 4 to it. If we are looking to add multiple elements within the set, we can use update method, and inside of update method we can pass on string, integers, tuple, list, or any other set as its argument. So let's do it. My unders dot update, and let's pass on a tuple with 3 comma 6 comma 9 comma 5 comma 8, a string a comma b, or just a mistake, it does not take integer as its parameter, so I just remove that. And let's check out its value. So you see 1 2 3 4 5 6 8 9 A and B. Okay, I hope now you have better understanding of Python sets. In the next meet video, we'll be discussing about set operations and set built-in functions. Besides, we'll be doing set membership tests as well. So stay tuned. Thank you.